a lacquer one now.
Just working on our dreams and then them boys can see we marvelous. I post up on my team and then them girls can see we marvelous. And I'm not trying to floss, but homie, destiny be calling us. And if you taking somebody, not one or two, take all of us. Marvelous. Marvelous. Calling us. Damn. All of us. The weather's good, I'm looking at the sky.
That's preset mode, so these are all my own set modes. They are specially, this one we used on the highway when the Kias stop in front of us in the fast lane because this lady can't just brake. This one is my favorite. She grips quite easily, so she'll spin out, and that's unfortunately the trouble with rear-wheel drive.
It's too much power as well.
There's never too much power. There's no such thing. We have good, clean fun, and that's what it's all about. Thank you, boss. We'll see you now. So now the fun starts. We just put on the Maverick glasses for this one.
It's about to go down.
Just quickly warm up the tires. Be warned. Yeah, she's still soft.
Sounds amazing.
Yeah, but she's still soft doing that. Sorry. I'm known as the lady boss here in this area.
They know you. Well, safety, so
but
not
because yeah, she's not.
Yeah.
You can't miss her.
You can't miss her.
No, you can't. So I've earned my respect driving this car actually, because it's very rare that they see a lady driving a V8, and especially and actually whipping it. I play with the BMW guys at the robots and stuff, and I've got drug dealer tint on, so you can't see through that. But whenever I roll it down, they see, oh, it's a lady. So some egos get broken too, but that's not my problem. Buy a faster car. But yeah, it's whenever I feel lonely, I also go for a drive, but I actually check if there's always a buddy or two in the streets that want to test their cars or just to go a bit faster.
There's always someone looking for smoke. A 340 or a B50.
Yes, but it's stress relieving towards us as well, because we are irritated when people can't drive and we have to look out for everybody. But it entertains the traffic as well.
How are you, my friend?
Good on you, my friend.
Good, thanks, madam.
I'll see you when we come back again, eh?
Okay. Sharp.
Sharp.
Thank you.
So yeah, I want people to enjoy my dream.
There's no point in having this car and you're not sharing it with the people.
Actually, down the road where we're going now is a Burger King where we stopped the other day, where I took my young photographer and we got the best shooting site. We'll stop there quickly.
Yeah.
It's not far. But and that one guy, it was his dream, and I said, get in the car, and closed the door and I remote started her. I took photos of him, I printed them. Should just take it to him still, but I made his whole life. He was You'll see the guide the robot now. He knows my car by now. When I turn off there, he knows I'm going to do a drifting pull. So, yeah, he enjoys the moment every time. So. We'll do the pull now. We'll stay in the middle lane. He knows already what's going on.
He's already prepared for it.
Yes, he is. No, it's still. This one is actually one of 64. He's Talis. Hey, but I've got the X3 M50. These things pull. Mine, I tuned to 1,000 horses now. Yeah. I'll let you hear the downshifting if you do it in manual.
Yeah.
So,
that's gonna be badass.
Yeah, she is quite aggressive. Ooh, and we always got a little bit of water so we don't waste tires here. I love the system here.
Oh, so you're not bending through all that, right?
No, you work smart, not hard or pay too much. But we'll do a manual now, and you'll hear the downshifting is tremendous. Must actually do it on a. Says that's not fun.
It's a lot of fun.
And I didn't buy it for the fuel consumption, so I fill up twice a day and it cost me 2.8 grand. But you know, oh, this smells
you
for
can't
miles, eh?
buy this. You can't get this from a 4-cylinder. You can't get it from a flat 6.
We've got a Golf behind us. Everyone wants to race you until they get next to you. So there's the, oh, I love these guys. Oh, maybe it's one of my friends.
It's the golf boys.
Yeah, but I love the golf boys, eh? This lady, this is what she does for a living, so this is what kept me alive when I lost everyone, and it's sad to say, but it is. That was so cool. Well, that's what I do for a living, and
these are the moments that people live for. These are the moments that we all live for.
Oh, that's great fun. Hey, and it's an M40. I'm quite chuffed with myself, but she's quite an aggressive lady. She's very noisy, but I like the noise. My father always taught me to listen to a car and feel the car, and then you will know what's wrong.
Yeah, she pulls it.
Yeah, and she's rear-wheel drive, so don't stress. She can fit into very small spaces. I'm never stuck in traffic. Oh,
Because
we've got
it's a-
another one here. Be honest, the AMG wants to have a pull. She's a very aggressive lady, if
She
we can
is.
put it as
She's
that.
always angry.
But you'll feel her now. She is quite strong and she grips. She has 8 gears and she grips through them all. So it is quite scary.
She can pull.
We were,
She can pull.
yeah, we were at 140 in that little bit of road. So she's quite powerful. And even going through
You wouldn't. Whoa!
yeah, she's quite fun. So
She goes
this-
sideways.
yeah, she loves sideways Saturdays and Sundays. But she's a lot of fun. She's tremendous fun. But whenever I feel at my lowest, especially with the important dates like the first year mark of my father's
Yeah.
passing and stuff, she keeps me going.